Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my very first Trendmood box, and I'm really excited about it because it's something special. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing fine now that I got my box. And today I have my very first Trendmood box, and I've been looking at different ones, and when this one came available, I had to snatch it. I think you guys know what's in here. I think I'm gonna have to kind of sort of put it on my thumbnail, but because it's a brand that I love so much, I'm really excited in seeing what's in here. But before we do that, affirmation for the day. So let's see. All right, Dr. Alexis in a house here. Anyway, so let's see what it says. Okay, today it says, my home is full of love and kindness. Aw, my home is full of love and kindness. And I like this card, the simplicity of it. Look how simple this is, right? And this is so nice, and I always enjoy cards like this. Aside from the fact, I know you guys get so tired of it. You say, well, be quiet, you like every one of them. Yeah, I'll let you know one that I don't like. I'm sure that'll happen one day. But anyway, for the meanwhile, I like this card. Anyway, my home is full of love and kindness, and I truly do believe that. Especially kindness, right? Kindness, I mean, kindness starts from the beginning, right? I mean, before you can have love, before you can have anything else, you have to be kind. You have to have kindness. And I always, you know, think about these things. And I have this really cool, it's not like a poster, no, but it's on a wooden slat. It's a piece of artwork that talks about the home. You know, there's hugs in a home, love in a home, however it goes. But it's a whole, every slat has something that is about home. And at the end it says, and this is what we call family. That's what this reminds me of, because one of the rules that my husband and I made before we even got married, really, is that we'll never go to sleep angry at each other, ever. And that is so important because, you know, so many things can happen during the day that, you know, one of you can have anger, or one of you could be disappointed, but, you know, you always should take the time to talk to your family members and really reach out to them because, you know, they're the closest to you, right? And so always think about if you have daughters, sons, if you have fur babies, whatever, you know, talk to them and make your home a place where people want to be, because the vibe is so nice, and you know, there's a very nice feeling to your home, right? And so instead of, you know, I could always tell when a home doesn't have these things and it just feels really staticky and really negative energy, and I really don't like to surround myself in that, and I do feel bad for those people. But you know, you really have to work at it and really have an agreement, have a contract to say, yeah, this house is going to be full of love and full of kindness. Okay? So, and you know, take it for what it's worth, but it really is important because I think love and kindness starts from the home. Okay? And it's a great thing to teach your children as well. So, okay, tell me what you think. Alrighty then, now we will go ahead and do our Trendmood box. As soon as I can get this thing back in the box. More that I want to see this Trendmood box, this card is not cooperating. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open it. It comes really nice and taped and, you know, like really secure with the purple tape. I like that. I like the purple box. I'm like, yay. This thing was supposed to be, you know, it said, yesterday was Sunday. It said that it was going to be delivered on Sunday. And I was so excited, and I looked, it wasn't there. And then this morning I got an email saying it's been delivered. I'm like, no, I hadn't. And then so I think my post office got lazy and didn't come out on a Sunday, even though it's time sensitive. So they left it today. So that's okay. I got it anyway. But I wish they wouldn't do that because I don't know if it's, you know, it was left in my box or somebody stole it or, you know, so it just kind of makes my heart just beat a little bit faster. So, yeah. So, okay, it looks like I said, this is my very first box. And it says Scam Me here. I bet that's where all of the product information is. You know, I'm not going to scan it today. I'm just going to show you what I have. And I was hoping what my plan was, if I got in this box yesterday, I was going to open this and do a look for you out of this box. But instead, I had to get something recorded. So I ended up doing the Shu Umeda palette. So you'll see that in the future. And okay, so it says Trendmood here. And let's open it up. I have no patience. I just tore all the pretty purple paper. But that's okay. Here we go. And it comes, oh, it comes very well packed. And these bubble wraps. And, wow, okay. Okay, here is a look. It's a box full of stuff. And so let me see what is in here. Let's me not drop it. Okay, the first big thing I see is Nabla Body Glow. Okay, Nabla Body Glow. I didn't really realize this was in there, tell you the truth. I was like, I had my eyes on other things. So, but okay, let's see. What is there anything, any card? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, it just says 30% off Nabla, entire brand, now Ulta. Look, here's the code. Here's the code. This is a good brand, so, okay. I think anybody can use it. Okay. So there it is in case you want the discount for 30%. Oh, that's good. I think I'm going to pick something up. And the first thing, like I said, is Body Glow. It's a body highlighter and illuminator. And it doesn't say anything on the box other than that. And it says here, Sugar Babe. That's the color, I think, Sugar Babe. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. I don't usually use these things, to be honest. But, oh my goodness, look at that. It's like really gold. Ooh, this is glass, guys. And how does it? Oh, and a pump. You know what? I may try it. I don't know because I'm always covered up. But not at home, though. Maybe I'll go ahead and try it, you know, when I go on a trip or something. Yeah, and look at this. This is so nice. I'm not going to pump this because only reason why is because in case I decide not to keep it, you know, I don't want to waste it. So I'm just going to go ahead and, yeah, just kind of show you like that on this one. Okay, that's the first item. And then the second item is... oh, yeah, this is why I got it. Palette. Eyeshadow palette. And this is Nabla Cutie palette. And I have not seen this one. I own several Nabla palettes, but not this one. And let's see what the color story is. And let's see. And let me take a look real quick here. And these are actually made in Italy. And here it is. So pretty. And look at the back here. It's got like the silhouette of a person. And this is the Cutie palette. And it is a 6-pan palette. Look how pretty this is. It's this Cutie palette right there. And, oh, wow. What a summer vibe. I really like this. And are these... okay, it looks like there's 2 mattes and 4 shimmers. And it looks like, not shimmers, but it looks like metal. These are really beautiful. Yeah, I wish I would have not, I would have gotten this yesterday so I could do the look for you. But yeah, okay, that's that. But you know what? I do promise, I'm terrible. I didn't do some of the other ones that I said I would. But, you know, with the Nabla, I'm going to have to do it for you because, yeah, this is my first box. And then I have, it's called a Viper, whatever that Viper is. And it looks like a, let's open it and see. Okay, it says, Hot to Hot, Viper Lip Plumper. Oh, it's a lip plumper. Okay, sounds dangerous. Okay, here it is. Huh, very nice art on this, guys. You know, I'm reluctant to open it. Is it, okay, hold on. Oh, okay, good. You have to kind of like squeeze it and pump it, and you see how it is? Okay. I'm glad it was like that. I would have hated to open it and it exposed it in case I don't keep it. But this is very nice, very heavy. And it says Viper here. Wow. Okay, very nice. And this is a lip plumper. I wonder if this is kind of like that. If it's going to be like really, you know. Okay, and the next piece here is Nabla Cupid's Arrow. And it is a full color stylo. What does that mean? Arrow number 6. What's a stylo? Maybe. Okay, let's see. What does it say? Arrow number 6. Oh, it looks like an eyeliner, right? Cupid's Arrow full color stylo. Yeah, I guess. Oh, yep. It's kind of like not an eyeliner, but you could also use it as a, this, you know, what I use these type of things along with a lot of people don't like the cream stick eyeshadows, but they really work well when you just outline and you take a brush and then you kind of smudge it and then you put the darker color, the powder, it holds it and it gives it more intensity. That's what I use it for, and it looks like that's what that is. And it looks like I got another one, an Arrow number 7, which is probably the brown. And you know what? These are the color stories that actually are in the palettes, it looks like. So that's great because this will act as a beautiful, yeah, that's the color, as a beautiful base to start the eyeshadow. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, and you know what? I've never used this product from Nabla. These things here. It looks like I have a third one, and this is called the Cupid's Arrow number. Let's see, where are you? Number 5. Okay, so yeah, I think these are all kind of like based on. Yep, and this is like more of a caramel color. And this was a dark brown, but it looks like it's got little red in it. Like, yeah, which I like. This is nice. I like it. Ooh, I'm excited, guys. Ooh, I can't wait to try it. And the last thing in my box is another palette. Yeah. And this one is called, again, a cutie palette. Oh, I get it. They're small, so they're called cutie palette. This one is called Midnight. I missed that. And this one is called Analog. Ooh, nice. Okay, and let me see what this one looks like. Looks like this one was open, but no, maybe not. Oh, very nice. Look at this. Very nice. Okay. Wow. Ha 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 ha. Those of you that love blue, there you go. Look at this, and this is like the color. You know what? The caramel, the Cupid's Arrow color. You take this, you line underneath. And then this is definitely a middle shimmer, and you can actually run that on top of it, and it'll be, so wow, beautiful. Look at this color story. Wow, okay, and I paid, I believe it was $34.95 for the box, and you have to grab them while they're around, and I learned this from Clara. And you know, Clara had a couple of Trendmood boxes, and I'm like, how do you get that? She says, well, they're gone. You got to grab them when you can and sign up with the email. And when they actually come out, when you see the email, you better grab it because they sell out. Okay. And I'm so glad that Clara told me about it because I was on the lookout for it. And I also, saw that I had an email and I jumped right on it and I ordered it. I almost ordered 2 boxes, but I wanted to get my experience first. This probably would have been a really good first 2 boxes, you know, because it would have been great because look at all this stuff. But anyway, yeah, so what did I get? I got 2 of the palettes, which I'm dying to use now. The Viper Lip Plumper and 3 of the different Arrow like a base, it's an eyeliner, eyeshadow base. And so, yeah, I love it. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Yeah, that's it. So what'd you think? This was my first Trendmood box, and I'm really excited, and I'm happy with what I got. And so let me know what you think, okay? And I will do looks with these because now I really want to use it. But unfortunately, I already did a look today, so sorry, guys. Okay, so my beautiful wildflowers, let me know what you thought, and if I added any value, hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. And remember, I am over 700 beautiful wildflowers, and soon as I see that it's up a little bit more so I don't drop below like before, I will go ahead and start the giveaway. And it's going to be a large giveaway because it's a, you know, a 100, increments of 100, it's going to be big. 50, not too much. 750 if I have one. It's not going to be huge, but like 700, 800, 900. For sure, the 1,000 one is going to be really big, okay? And my goal, guys, to get to 1,000 by September. And September is my 1-year anniversary of being on YouTube and meeting you beautiful wildflowers. And I mean, in my wildest dream, I didn't see myself at let alone, 700, 50, 50. I said, if you know what, if I have a 50 or 100 people, yay, I'm so happy. I'll just cater to those people and give them what they want, right? But here I am. Oh my God, not even a year yet and 700. So, you know what? Thank you guys so very much, because it's because of you guys, because of your encouragement, your loyalty, your love, and your comments. So thank you so, so very much. And I try to provide you with the best content that I can. And so if you have any other ideas, let me know. And remember, July is coming up, and I will be launching my keto series as well to help you guys out there that may be struggling with your weight, that may be struggling with the program, that may hit a plateau and can't get off of it. I can help you with that. I've been through it all. So stay tuned for that. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, again, thank you for joining me. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good week or weekend, whenever you're watching this. But it doesn't matter. Just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.